Welcome again to the AVR Platform and Creator AVR. In this lesson, we'll cover how to manage our 3D assets using the AVR web portal. For the purposes of this lesson, we'll be assuming that we are an admin or teacher and therefore have access to our institution's asset library. We'll start by going to avrplatform.com and logging in using the same credentials used for Creator AVR. The first thing we see is each of the products within the AVR platform, so we'll again select Creator AVR. This takes us to the Assets page, where we can view, publish, categorize, upload, and delete our 3D assets. Let's first begin by organizing our categories, which can be seen and sorted both during lesson creation and in the asset library. On the left, we can see there are several pre-existing categories. To add a new category, we'll just click on New Asset Category, type in a name, and select an icon that best represents it. Once we're happy with it, we hit Save, and it's immediately added to the list. To edit an existing asset category, we select the box next to it to make new options appear, Delete and Update. Choosing Delete archives the asset category, while Update allows us to edit it. With our assets appropriately organized, we can now manage them. By clicking on the gray button above the categories, we can see our 3D assets are in 3 states: published, unpublished, and archived. Published means that anyone within our institution can see it in the asset library, while unpublished assets can be modified but can only be seen if we have permission. The archived assets are just the ones we've deleted before, but with the option to restore. To publish an asset, we first filter by unpublished. Then we select the box next to it and click Publish. Similarly, to unpublish an asset, we first filter by published. Then we select the box next to it and click Unpublish from Library. To edit an existing asset or assign it to a new category, we first filter by unpublished. If we want to edit a published asset, we will have to unpublish it first. We then click on the asset we wish to edit. Next, we click on the Details tab to the left. The Details page is where we can change our asset's description, search tags, and categories. After making any changes, we'll save and publish it so everyone can see the asset and use it in lessons. Finally, to upload a new asset, we'll go back to the Asset Library page and click Upload New Asset. That brings us to a page where we can upload new assets as long as they meet the technical specifications. If we're not sure which files can be uploaded or have any other questions regarding the AVR platform, we can always consult with our institution's lead administrator. And that's it, a quick overview of how to manage our 3D assets within the AVR web portal. See you in the next lesson.